Hello. Let's move to the next part of Form 941 Employer Quarterly Federal Tax Return, Part 2. On page 2, I think, let's move up a little bit to check if we do have pages here. Well, this will be page 4 if you print out the whole form. But pretty much that's the next step, part 2. So here, don't forget to put your name. It's not the trade name, it is your name. So here I'm going to repeat what I have put earlier as well. And you'll put the employer, your employer identification number in this section here. Not your social security number, but employer identification number. You don't put your trade name, but your first and last name here, and the employer identification number here. So part 2, business. So tell us about your deposit schedule and tax liability for this quarter. So yeah, you have publication 15 that you can read as well. But line 16, we are going to check one of the three. So if line 12 on this return is less than 2,500, or line 12 on the return for the prior quarter was less than 2,500, and you didn't incur $100,000 nested deposit obligation during the current quarter, then your monthly, you'll have, let me see here. So if line 12 for the prior quarter is less than 2,500, but line 12 for this quarter is $100,000 or more, you must provide a record of your federal tax liability. So if you are a monthly scheduled depositor, complete the deposit schedule below. If you are a biweekly scheduled depositor, attach Schedule B. So in our example here, our line 12 is less than 2,500, and probably the last quarter was as well. So if that's the case, you'll select that one. So if you were a monthly schedule depositor, if and for the entire quarter, so enter your liability, your tax liability for each month and total liability for the quarter. So if you are a monthly schedule depositor for the entire quarter, the quarter you are filing, so you are going to enter your tax liability for each month and total it. So let's assume that you are a monthly monthly schedule depositor here. So that means your tax liability for month 1, you'll put it here, and for month 2, for month 3. Let's say that if we go back to our spreadsheet here, the tax liability total is $30.60 here. So if the amount we paid, depending on how you want to use the spreadsheet, you can track how much you pay for every month, and you'll use that. So pretty much, let's say that we pay this person on the 3rd month, and so that means we are not going to have anything here for month 1 or 2, but then here our tax liability is $30.60. So if we are making deposits monthly and you select here, you will do that. But if we don't make monthly, and then your total quarter, that will be the total of all 3, and that will be $30.60. So, and this must equal to line 12, and we did line 12 here. So that's our line 12 here. But if you don't make deposit at all, and your tax, your line 12, the tax you owe, your total tax that you are reporting is less than $2,500 for this quarter and for the last quarter. So you'll put it here, and you are not expecting any $100,000 next day deposit. That's that. So you are not going to fill up this session. So I just use this as an example. If you are a monthly depositor, that's what you will do. So we are just going to keep it like that and move down. But if you are a bi-weekly depositor, which I explained in another video, and by being a bi-weekly depositor, that means that you, for the prior year, you reported a total tax of total tax over $50,000 for the year. So you have to be making deposit every 2 weeks. So if you are a bi-weekly depositor, you will select this one here, and you have to complete Schedule B, Form 941. And you will complete that. I'll have the link as well for you to download it. If that something you are required, if you are a bi-weekly depositor, then you will fill out Schedule B, and you will select this part instead, and that's how you fill up Part 2. And make sure, if you have to complete Schedule B, Form 941, make sure you attach it to Form 941 and submit both. And I don't know if I said it earlier, but if you fill out 8974 form, you have to attach it to your Form 941 as well. Thank you for watching. That's how you fill out Part 2 of Form 941, Employer Quality Tax, Federal Tax Return. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and owners of Nina Soap. And our website is ninasoap.com.